2.9 million people traveled on Christmas week last year. This season is expected to break that record, which means packed security lines, no overhead space, and airlines charging fees for the smallest mistakes. That's why today you're getting 15 genius carry-on hacks to avoid stress, save money, and protect your gifts. The later hacks are the ones travelers never expect but need the most. Let's begin. 15. The gift clothing swap strategy. Last Christmas, I learned this clever strategy after watching a passenger's gifts break inside her carry-on. The gift clothing swap strategy prevents that by using your clothes as protective layers. Wrap ornaments with scarves, fold sweaters around candles, and place jackets around small gift boxes. This replaces bubble wrap, saves space, and keeps everything TSA friendly because officers can inspect items without unwrapping a mess. Winter clothes are naturally soft, padded, and flexible, so they absorb pressure when your bag shifts in overhead bins. This also keeps your bag lighter and easier to organize. Many travelers overpack clothes, but when your clothes work as protection, you pack smarter instead of heavier. Your gift stays safe and your carry-on stays neat. Start your packing with this method, and you'll notice how much cleaner and more stable your bag feels. Now that your gifts have a soft layer of protection, the next hack shows you how to create more space instantly without breaking airline rules. 14. The two-bag illusion compression trick. During holiday travel, people often struggle to close overstuffed carry-ons, but this method solves that problem. Pack your clothes or soft items inside a thin foldable tote bag placed inside your main carry-on. At the airport, simply take the tote out and use it as your personal item. Suddenly, your carry-on becomes lighter and more organized, and you avoid the common bag won't close situation. Airlines allow one personal item and one carry-on, and this method stays within the rules because everything begins inside one bag. It also helps when overhead bins fill up, because your tote fits under the seat even when space is tight. This trick reduces stress when lines grow long and people rush. It gives you more flexibility, more space, and more control of your items. Now that your bag is slimmer and easier to manage, the next hack helps you avoid TSA delays caused by snacks and holiday treats. 13. The Holiday Snacks Divider System. Snacks cause more security slowdowns at Christmas than many people realize. When holiday treats like chocolates or cookies mix with electronics or liquids, TSA often needs to inspect the whole bag. The Holiday Snacks Divider solves this problem by dedicating one small section of your carry-on only to food. Place all snacks in a transparent bag so officers can see everything at once. This prevents delays, protects your clothes from accidental spills, and saves you from buying overpriced airport food during long waits. It also keeps kids calm, which is helpful when Christmas crowds become overwhelming. Travelers usually scatter snacks randomly, causing clutter and unnecessary checks. But with this one simple divider, your bag looks clean, organized, and easy to inspect. TSA always moves faster when items are grouped clearly. And once your snacks are sorted, the next hack improves your entire bag layout by changing the way you pack layers. 12. The layered access packing method. Most people stack items in their carry-on like a pile of laundry, but layered packing makes your bag easier to open and easier for TSA to inspect. Place essential items like documents, chargers, medicines, and your liquids on the top layer. The middle layer holds clothing and padded items. The bottom layer holds stable items like shoes or heavy gifts. When TSA opens your carry-on, they immediately see what matters. No digging, no confusion. During Christmas, when lines move slowly and people get impatient, this method saves time for you and the officers. It also reduces the chance of items shifting and breaking inside your bag. Organized layers make repacking faster and keep your carry-on cleaner. This method works especially well when you're carrying gifts because officers can inspect the top without disturbing the bottom. Now that your layers are smooth and easy to reach, the next hack helps you avoid the most common holiday travel mistake. 11. The Essentials Only Liquids Rule. Christmas travelers often bring full-size lotions, perfumes, and gift sets without realizing they exceed liquid limits. The Essentials Only Liquids Rule prevents confiscations and saves space. Pack only the liquids you will actually use on your trip. Choose one lotion instead of 3. Bring travel-size versions of perfumes. Place everything in a quart-sized clear bag and keep it at the very top of your carry-on. TSA handles millions of liquid bags during Christmas, and simple, minimal packs move faster through inspection. Travelers who overpack liquids usually face repacking delays or last-minute removals. This rule avoids all that stress. A clean, small liquid bag also keeps your gifts safe from leaks. Most importantly, minimal liquids make your carry-on lighter. And now that your liquids are controlled and accessible, the next hack helps you reduce delays caused by electronics, one of the biggest reasons holiday bags get flagged. 10. The electronics clearance trick. Holiday travel means many people carry tablets, cameras, headphones, and gaming devices as gifts. When electronics overlap in an X-ray image, TSA flags the bag for extra checks. The electronics clearance trick prevents this by placing each device in a thin sleeve and packing them upright along one side of your carry-on. This gives TSA a clean, clear image. It also prevents tangled cables and protects screens from cracking. Devices become easy to remove if officers ask. Many travelers shove electronics in different pockets or lay them flat, causing messy inspections. But when everything is vertical, secure, and separated, your bag usually passes the scan instantly. It also keeps your carry-on organized during gate changes or long walks. With your electronics now easy to find and safe from damage, the next hack helps you protect the items you cannot afford to lose during Christmas travel. If these tips are helping you stay organized, consider subscribing. We share simple travel tricks that make flying easier. Now let's continue. 9. The Holiday Essentials Pouch. Last Christmas, I lost the charger at security because my essentials were scattered in different pockets. The Holiday Essentials Pouch prevents this by keeping all important items in one small bag inside your personal item. Store your passport, chargers, medications, boarding pass, keys, and important receipts in this pouch. If TSA asks for something, you can grab it instantly. It prevents you from leaving anything behind in trays or rushing back to search for items. Christmas airports are busy, loud, and distracting, so a single pouch keeps your mind calm and your items safe. Travelers often lose essentials because they try to balance too many things at once. This pouch fixes that problem and gives you peace of mind for the entire trip. And now that your essentials are secure, the next hack helps you organize soft and fragile gifts in the smartest order. 8. The Soft Gifts First Rule. Most Christmas gifts come in different shapes, and packing them in the wrong order causes damage. The Soft Gifts First Rule creates a safe foundation for everything else. Place soft gifts, scarves, socks, gloves, beanies, at the bottom of your carry-on. This forms a cushioned base that absorbs pressure from overhead bins and bumpy handling. Many travelers place fragile items first, which causes breakage when soft items press down on them. Flipping the order keeps fragile gifts protected. Soft items also fill empty spaces naturally, preventing movement inside the bag. TSA checks also become easier because the top of your bag opens cleanly. With soft gifts resting safely underneath, your fragile items stay secure. And now that your essentials are secure, the next hack helps you organize soft and fragile gifts in the smartest order. 7. The Bubble-Free Fragile Method. Bubble wrap is bulky and can confuse TSA scanners, causing officers to unwrap everything. The Bubble-Free Fragile Method uses clothing instead. Wrap glass ornaments in sweaters, candles in scarves, and small fragile items in soft t-shirts. This protects gifts while saving space. Clothing absorbs impact better than plastic and keeps your bag lighter. Place wrapped fragile items in the center of your carry-on, surrounded by padding on all sides. Corners are the riskiest areas, so avoid placing breakables there. TSA can easily feel through clothing layers, reducing the need for long inspections. This eco-friendly method also prevents mess from broken glass or spilled items. With your fragile gifts safe and stable, the next hack helps you handle the one thing travelers always lose during Christmas travel: important documents. 6. The Instant Access Documents Folder. Christmas crowds make people drop passports, boarding passes, and papers constantly. The Instant Access Documents folder solves this by keeping everything flat, secure, and reachable. Use a slim folder in your personal item's outer pocket. Store only essential documents inside: passport, ID, boarding pass, hotel confirmations, and travel forms. Avoid mixing receipts or random papers that cause clutter. When TSA or airline staff asks for something, you won't dig through your bag. This reduces stress and speeds up the line for everyone behind you. A clean folder also helps during gate changes because you can grab and move quickly. Organized documents make your whole trip smoother. Now that your documents are safe and easy to grab, the next hack helps you simplify your entire charging setup during your Christmas vacation. 5. The cable-free carry charger strategy. Holiday travelers often bring too many chargers and cables, making their bags heavy and chaotic. The cable-free carry strategy fixes that by reducing your tech to essentials. Pack one universal charger that works for multiple devices and include only 1 or 2 short cables. Store everything in a thin, easy-access pocket to avoid tangles. Power banks must stay in your personal item since airlines require them in the cabin. This setup saves time during TSA checks because officers often inspect cluttered electronics. It also prevents you from buying overpriced chargers at the airport. A clean cable setup makes your bag lighter, neater, and easier to manage during gate changes. Now that your charging system is simple and efficient, the next hack protects your gifts even if your carry-on gets gate checked during Christmas rush. 4. The flexible gift protection layer. When overhead bins fill up during holiday flights, staff may ask passengers to gate check their carry-ons. The flexible gift protection layer keeps your items safe if this happens. Before closing your bag, place a soft final layer, like a hoodie or Christmas sweater, over everything. This cushions your belongings and prevents pressure damage. If TSA opens your bag, this layer keeps items from falling out or shifting. It also helps your carry-on close smoothly without bulging. During Christmas, bags get squeezed, stacked, and moved quickly, so this top layer protects fragile items without adding weight. Travelers who skip this step often discover crushed gifts later. With this simple protective layer in place, the next hack teaches you how to always know where everything is without ever digging through your bag. 3. The no-digging packing map. Christmas travel can be chaotic, and nothing feels worse than digging through your bag while the line behind you grows impatient. The no-digging packing map prevents that. After packing, take a few seconds to mentally note where each category is placed. Liquids top left, snacks bottom left, fragile gifts center, electronics right side, documents outer pocket. This mental map saves you time and reduces stress because you always know where to reach. It also helps when repacking after TSA checks. Bags packed with a clear structure rarely require second inspections. Travelers who skip this step often end up unpacking everything in public. A simple mental layout keeps your journey smooth. Now that you know exactly where everything is, the next hack helps with winter weather so your bag stays spacious and airline friendly. 2. The temperature swap layering strategy. Christmas weather changes fast, and heavy coats take up enormous space inside carry-ons. The temperature swap strategy fixes this by wearing your bulkiest clothing through the airport while packing lighter layers in your bag. Airports are usually warm, but boarding areas and airplanes can be cold, so layering keeps you comfortable. This method saves space, prevents overweight bag fees, and keeps your carry-on free for gifts. Many travelers pack coats, then struggle to close their bags, forcing last-minute fixes. Instead, wear your coat and remove it only if needed. It doubles as padding when placed on your seat or lap. This strategy makes your packing smarter, not heavier. Now that your clothing is optimized for winter travel, the final hack brings everything together to protect your entire carry-on from the most unpredictable Christmas travel challenges. Number 1. The Complete Carry-On Shield. The Complete Carry-On Shield is the final layer and protection your Christmas travel needs. Once your bag is fully packed and organized, place a lightweight, water-resistant cover or sleeve over it. Holiday weather brings snow, rain, and puddles, and gate-checked carry-ons often get exposed. A protective sleeve prevents moisture, dirt, and damage to your bag and everything inside. It also reduces wear and tear when sliding bags into overhead bins. Travelers often focus on packing, but forget environmental hazards that can ruin gifts or clothing. This shield creates peace of mind because your items stay clean and safe no matter what happens outside. When combined with all previous hacks, it transforms your carry-on into a stable, protected, and winter-ready travel companion. With this final shield, your Christmas journey becomes smoother, safer, and much more enjoyable. These were the top 15 genius carry-on hacks for Christmas travel. Simple tricks that save money, reduce stress, and make flying easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart travel tips. Click any of the videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.